Think you're not a writer? $100,000 says you are. We're delighted to launch the next big story from the Novelry, a writing contest where you could win $100,000 for just 3 pages. Yes, that's right, just 3 pages from the start of a novel. To help us find the next big story, we've teamed up with some incredible judges. Tayari Jones, award-winning author of An American Marriage. Emma Roberts, actress, producer, and founder of the Belletrist Book Club. Julia Quinn, best-selling author of the Bridgerton series. Jan Martel, award-winning author of Life of Pi. Zosha Mamet, girls actress and essayist. Carly Fortune, the New York Times #1 best-selling author. Zibby Owens, bookstore owner, author, and founder of Zibby Media. Kimi Nwakwari, social media influencer and book talker at Kimi's Books. Brady Lockerbie, social media influencer and book talker. And Jackie Oshry, author and podcast host of The Toast. And I'm Louise Dean, founder of the Novelry, the world's top-rated creative writing school. And this is my Willy Wonka moment. We're on the lookout for fresh, new voices, so don't rule yourself out. Everyone is invited. And to help, we've got some helpful hints at our website. Take a look and enter for the chance to win. Head to thenovelry.com/prize to learn more. Terms and conditions apply. We can't wait to read your story.
The next big story!